Hello my beautiful viewers, let's see how we're going to solve this geometry problem together. Now, it's not hard, but let's run it together, the way we used to do. You have line PQ, you have line RS, we have this angle, we have this angle here, and we have this angle here. So the question is that if PQ is parallel, this is the sign, to RS, that means these two are parallel. The question now asks us to show that x, that is this, plus this, and z is equals to 360 degrees. So how are we going to do it? Now, let me redraw this. Sorry, this is not drawn to a scale. I have P, I have Q here, I have U, then I have what? I have Z here, I have R. Now, you see this one here, which is Y. Let me break it like this, so that this Y, I'm going to have this to be Y1, I have this to be Y2. Understand? Then this will be X, all right? And this will also be Z. Now, when you look at this line here, so let's say this line at the middle is also what? Is also parallel to PQ and what? And RS. So now for that, if you have that, it's telling us that this X and Y1 here, that is X plus Y1, okay, will be equals to 180 degrees. The reason is that they are co-interior angles, and co-interior angles are sum up to 180 degrees. So the same thing here, this Z here, Z plus Y2, they are what? They are the same thing, equals to 180 degrees. The same what? The same reason. The same reason. Are you with me? Now, the next thing we're going to do now. So don't forget that this is what we want to know. So it shows that you are going to add this, let's call this equation 1 and this equation 2. So you add 1 and 2 together. So now if you want to add 2 and this and together, so what are you going to have? We're going to have X plus what? Plus Y1 plus Z plus Y2. Then 180 plus 180, we're going to have 360 degrees. Do you understand? So from there, X plus what? Plus Z plus Y1 plus Y2 equals 360 degrees. So what is Y1? What is Y2? Y1 and Y2 is what? Is Y in total. So we're going to have X plus Z plus what? Plus X plus Y plus Z now equals to 360 degrees. And that is what the question asks us to do. So to prove that X plus Y plus Z equals 360 degrees. Can you see that? If you find the class very interesting, do not hesitate to share to your friends so they can learn from this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.